About 1 in 6 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer during his lifetime. In 2018, 12,76,106 new cases of prostate cancer were registered worldwide, representing 7.1% of all cancers in men. ReproGuard. What is prostate gland? Prostate is a small walnut-sized reproductive gland in male located between the bladder and the penis, whose main function is to secrete prostate fluid, one of the components of semen which nourishes and protects the sperm. Why is prostate health so important? A healthy prostate gland is essential for reproduction and fertility for men. What is required to keep prostate gland healthy? A special attention to prostate health is of paramount interest across the globe, and men are looking for an additional dietary support to their reproductive health. A number of natural products, ingredients such as phytosterols, polyphenols, vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals have been found to elicit significant benefits towards prostate health and prevent benign prostate hyperplasia, a condition leading to prostate cancer. What is the composition of Orion's ReproGuard? ReproGuard is an herbal formula dedicated to guard prostate health, made up of high-quality herbal extracts known to protect prostate functions such as stinging nettle extract, beta-cytosterol, pomegranate extract, green tea extract, zinc sulfate, and vitamin D3. What are the health benefits of Orion's ReproGuard? The combination of ingredients chosen for ReproGuard are having well-known benefits towards improving and protecting prostate health. They provide healthy support to the men's reproductive system, both individually as well as synergistically. The individual health benefits with scientific support are as mentioned below. Stinging nettle extract, or Urtica dioica. It is one of the most scientifically studied medicinal plant worldwide. The anti-proliferative and apoptotic effects of Urtica dioica have been demonstrated on different human cancers. Investigating the properties of Urtica dioica at cellular and molecular levels. The extract, rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, will protect prostate gland from free radical induced damages and development of BPH. Pomegranate extract, or Punica granatum. Pomegranate extract, rich in hydrolyzable tannins such as punicalagins and anthocyanins, has shown scientifically significant antioxidant and anti-proliferative activity in prostate glands. Beta-cytosterol. Phytosterols are having proven benefits on BPH. Scientific studies suggest that beta-cytosterol improve urinary symptoms and flow measures. It was observed that beta-cytosterol had significantly improved International Prostate Symptom Score (IPSS) and Quality of Life Score (QOL) in BPH. Lycopene. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a natural antioxidant which inhibits prostate cancer growth and metastasis. Randomized clinical trials in humans have reported that lycopene supplementation lowers prostate-specific antigen levels in men with prostate cancer. Green tea extract. Green tea and its active ingredient epigallocatechin gallate (EGCG) have numerous metabolic benefits, mainly reducing the progression and invasion of numerous cancers, including prostate cancer. Zinc. The concentration of zinc in the prostate is higher than that of any other soft tissue in our body. Zinc is a necessary component of numerous metalloproteins, including those important for DNA synthesis, immune function, and antioxidant activity. Zinc has been found to inhibit prostate cancer. Vitamin D3. A number of scientific studies have established the link between lower intake of vitamin D and risk of developing prostate cancer. Although the exact mechanism is not well understood, it is very well established that vitamin D3 supplementation could prove to be beneficial to prevent the occurrence of prostate cancer among men. Who needs to take ReproGuard? Orion's ReproGuard is a health supplement product designed to support men of reproductive age and elderly men above 45 years who are vulnerable to develop BPH due to nutritional and dietary deficiencies. It can also be recommended to men having fertility related issues and who are looking to strengthen their reproductive system. Unfortunately, with men's health, we don't talk about it enough, and prostate cancer gets lost in the conversation, says Eric McCormack, a famous Canadian-American actor.